Welcome back to another video. So I've got some of Madame Glam's December launch gel polishes. These are all cat eyes. They are beautiful. So these were based on the movie Wandering in New York. I think it's from the Home Alone franchise, isn't it? So there's 8 in this collection. I've got 4 of them. They are stunning, guys. Just by themselves, they look like liquid chrome or something. They're beautiful. So I've got a blue called Wet Bandit. Then I've got a pale kind of pink and it's called Frizzante. This green Buzz is stunning. This blue as well. Purple. Lost in New York. It's a purple or a blurple. So as always, Madame Glam polishes, they're all vegan, cruelty free, 21 toxin free, palm oil free, henna free. Brilliant. Anybody that's allergic to anything nail related, these are perfect. Excellent quality, they really are. So I'm going to do a quick swatch of all 4 of these. And I'm going to do a little design today. Look at this, guys. This is the blue one. Over a clear swatch stick. They don't need to go over a black or a colour. Look at that for just 1 coat. They are stunning. Just by itself like that, you could use it. It is beautiful. So these magnets are available on the website as well. All my links and discount codes and everything are always in my description box anyway. So I'm just going to do a little line through this one, just to show you what it does. Look at that, guys, on a clear swatch stick, 1 coat. It is stunning. So they're curing the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to give the rest of these a quick swatch, and I'll use the magnet in different ways on each one, just so you can get an idea of the things you can do with them. And I'm going to cure all them for 30 seconds, and I'll give them a quick top coat as well off camera. Right, so that is them all swatched. Look at these, guys. Oh my gosh. This green as well is absolutely stunning. I'm not a green person, but look at that. It's like an emerald green. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh my gosh. You can get these at 50% off, guys, as well if you're a VIP member. If you want to know more about that as well, it's all on the description box. Just click the link below and it's all on the website, all the info you need. So I'm giving these 4 tips a quick base coat. I'm just going to do a little Christmassy, snowy kind of design. I'm just going to use 1 colour. I'm going to use the blue. So I've cured that base coat for 30 seconds. And what I'm going to do to start with is I'm just going to give them a nice even coat. 2 of the nails, just a nice even coat like this. I'm not going to touch it with the magnet. I'm just going to put 2 of the nails in the lamp just like that. And the other 2 nails are going to be half blue, half white. So this one's going to be a diagonal with the white on the top. And the other one is just going to be split across the middle, straight across the middle, white on the top, blue on the bottom. And again, I'm just doing 1 even coat of the blue and curing it as it is. Right, now back to these first 2 nails. I'm going in with the second coat now, and this second coat I'm not going to cure it. I'm going to use the magnet on this second coat. Now what I'm going to do with the magnet is I'm just going to swipe up and down the sides and across the top and the bottom, just to kind of bring all them particles into the middle. So just get this end of your magnet and just quickly swipe it up and down each side like that, and can you see it kind of moves it all into the middle, and you get this kind of dark outline around the edges. It is beautiful, isn't it? Hoo-hoo-hoo, look at that. And I'm going to do that on all the nails. I'm going to do that on the ones that are half and half as well. And then they're going to get cured for 30 seconds too. So that's them all cured now. How beautiful are they? I can't stop looking at them. I've still got them on my desk actually. I keep picking them up, looking at them. Right, I'm going to give them all a Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat because I want to paint some snowflakes and stuff on these. So yeah, matte top coat and cure that for 30 seconds. So that's what they look like, matte top coated. Even that's pretty, isn't it? So unique, and that colour is so strong. I love it. Right, this first nail is just going to be one big snowflake. So I'm starting with a kind of a cross, just a horizontal line and a vertical line, and then I'm going to put a line in between all of them to create a kind of a star. And then I'm just going to do my usual little flicky flicks coming off these lines. I'll swap this liner brush out for a small detailer brush, and yeah, I'm just going to do little flicks coming off each of these lines. Right, now all them little flickies are done, I'm just using a dotting tool and I'm just putting a little dot of gel polish on each of those lines, and I'm just going to use a small detailer brush and I just pull through that little dot and bring it to a point like that, can you see? And I just think it adds a little bit of something, I don't know what, but yeah, just pull that little dot of gel polish into a point. I think it looks really pretty. And these Madam Glam gel paints as well, they cure for 60 seconds and they don't have a tacky layer, so you can leave them as they are if you want. They cure nice and glossy. Right, so on these two nails that are half white, half blue, I'm going to do snowflakes again. I'll only show you doing this one because they're both the same. Same as the snowflake I've just done, except half a one. Exactly the same. Yeah, just half a one. And that's going to get cured for 60 seconds as well. Right, now this nail was hard. I don't know what was wrong with me today. I wiped this off about 6 times and started again, guys. I just couldn't get it right. So I want to write on this nail, let it snow. And I'm only just now realising, doing this voiceover, what I spelt out first. I didn't realise. I always start with the middle and work my way out so I know I've got enough room for all the letters. And I didn't realise what I just spelt there, tit. Anyway, I'm going to turn tit into let it snow, and that's going to get a 60-second cure as well. Right, now these two nails on the white part, I'm just going to use a dotting tool, and I'm just going to put a dot there and a dot there, and I'm going to use the gel polish in them little dots to make a couple of 4-pronged stars. So get the thinnest brush that you've got, the smallest detailer brush, and just use the gel polish in them dots and just swipe through it. Pull one line going up like that, and then another line going down. Your line going up and your line going down, I like to do them a bit longer than the lines going across. Just pull that gel polish down with a really skinny brush. You don't need any extra gel on your brush, just use them dots. And these lines going across, I always like to do them a little bit shorter. I think they look, I don't know, I just like the way they look with these little lines going across shorter. And again, I'm going to use my dotting tool, and I'm just going to do 2 or 3 little dots like snowdrops. I'm going to do exactly the same on the other nail as well. I'll do that off camera, and they get cured for 60 seconds as well. And exactly the same on this blue nail as what I've just done. Do the dots and use your detailer brush to create your little 4-pronged stars. So I'm just going to finish these off now with some silver striping tape. I'm just going to go over where the blue meets the white, cover it with the striping tape, and then I'm going to snip down each side. Once I've got it on, I'm going to snip down each side, and then we can get these top coated and finished off. So to start with, because I want the white to stay matte up top, I'm just using a detailer brush just to go over that striping tape and get it sealed in. I'm going to do that on both nails, and then I'm going to get all the nails top coated. I've left the top half of these matte because that white gel paint, it cures with a glossy layer, so you don't have to wipe the tacky layer off. They're not going to be sticky or anything. Them gel paints are amazing, especially if you want to do a design over a matte top coat. You don't have to go over them with a glossy or wipe the tacky layer off. Yeah, they're really handy for that. So I'm going to give these this quick top coat, and I've pulled out 3 little transparent gems, and I'm going to put one in each of the middle of those snowflakes, and they'll get cured for 30 seconds, and that'll be then finished. How pretty is that cat eye gel polish? It's absolutely stunning. I love it. I genuinely love it. I've got quite a few cat eyes, most of them you have to put over a black. But I've got nothing like these, and I've not seen nothing like these. They are beautiful. They really are. So there's the swatches again. That purple and green are just amazing. I love them. I think that green is actually my favourite, you know. I can't believe I'm choosing green over pink. So that's a little bauble, little 3D bauble that I did when I was having a play yesterday. I just thought I'd show you that. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.